In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Figma file. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Figma account. Once you've done that, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is your creative hub in Figma, where all your projects live and where you can start new ones. It's a simple yet powerful space designed to inspire you to create and innovate. Now, our main task today is to create a new Figma file. Think of a Figma file as your digital canvas, a place where you can bring your ideas to life visually. The dashboard provides you with various options depending on the type of project you want to undertake. At the top of your screen, you'll notice several options to choose from. It could be a design file for crafting visual designs, a FigJam file for whiteboard-style brainstorming, slide presentations, or even starting a buzz site if that's what you're into. Take a moment to think about what you're aiming to create and make your selection accordingly. Once you've decided on the type of file, the next step is to click on the New or Create button, which you'll find prominently displayed. This action is like opening the doors to your creative suite. After you click, it's all about customizing your experience. You'll see a few prompts that ask you to either describe your idea, which can be as simple or elaborate as you like, or to paste a Figma frame if you're ready and have one prepared. This step is your opportunity to set the stage for your project. Consider what you want to achieve and lay out your thoughts. This might involve scribbling down key components or pasting elements that help you visualize the end product more clearly. If you're thinking about design specifics or have a rough sketch, now's the perfect time to incorporate it. As you get started, remember that Figma is highly intuitive, offering a rich user interface that balances ease of use with powerful features. No need to rush. Take your time to get familiar with the tools at your disposal, as these will become invaluable in creating stunning designs. And just like that, you're ready to start designing in your new Figma file. Keep in mind that Figma also allows for collaboration, so you can invite team members to join and contribute ideas or feedback seamlessly. It's really that simple to create a new Figma file. Now that you have this foundational knowledge, you're all set to explore Figma's vast creative landscape and produce designs that truly resonate with your vision. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more insightful guides. Happy designing!